Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sure to draw Big Dill from Fortnite. Things you for his videos could be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget that smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Okay, first I'm gonna start for Big Dill. Is gonna be the pickle. So we're gonna draw a line right here. And then it's gonna go up to here. And then down like this, kinda. This is just for the pickle shape. It's not actually gonna look like this. Draw line right here, line right here, another one, the line, another one, line, circle. So like this. And right here we're gonna draw a circle and another circle. And we're gonna draw line right here, then a little mini circle, and then same thing right here, a little line, and another circle. Draw circle, circle, then like a 3 backwards. And kind of diagonal with his lips. And we're draw line right here that's gonna go up here and down here. Then just go right here. Then you can add some lines for the mask, of course. Then right here we're gonna draw line. Well, that's a big finger. Not that big. Then we're gonna draw a thumb, then 2 bumps, and it's gonna curve in like this. One here, bump, line, and then another one right here. And you draw a line right here, and then you can draw a curve line that goes all the way to here, then another one with some lines. And you gotta make like imaginary D shape right here, kind of. So you just sketch a D right here. You gotta go through this though, it's not actually. 2 lines, and curve it out like this, so it's kind of like the S and then 2 lines for money, but instead of that, it's Big Dill. Because in the game, he has his own crypto, scamming people. I'm gonna draw a line right here, line, 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 and then it's gonna curve up to here. And we draw a line right here, and kind of curves, then a finger, another one, and another one. Then we're gonna draw kind of like a curvy line, kind of, for the detail. A line, then another one, line. That goes up to here like this. We're not actually gonna draw like the full thing. Okay. Now that's what your sketch for Big Dill should look like when you're done with the sketch. Before we even do any singular thing coloring, we gotta outline first. So let's outline. Sketch is complete. Well, no, that was it already has. It's been complete. So kind of let the paper kind of down. So what I did for the feet, I just drew lines right there. All right, so first off, colors. So first up, you're going to need 2 greens, 1 dark one, 1 lighter one. Then 2 yellows. Then 2 grays. And nothing else. These should be all your colors. Not that many colors because it's literally green, yellow, and gray. Alright, before I start coloring, don't forget to check out my website, trentcardinal.com. You can buy hats, stickers, shirts, print, and at art shows you can buy originals. Super cool. Alright. Now, let's get coloring. Ka-chow! This is what Big Dill from Fortnite should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.